Event-driven architecture has suddenly become a hot topic between system architects. Maybe it's because Apache Kafka has emerged. But event-driven architecture is a rather old concept. It was when message-oriented middleware and publish-subscribe communication model has emerged. And it was in 1990s. So it is more than 30 years, but still nowadays synchronous communication continued to be used. It was with service-oriented architecture where web services were used. Nowadays it is microservices where APIs, application programming interface is used, but it's still synchronous communication. Synchronous communication works as follows. Client makes a call and wait for the server to respond with requested content. But event-driven architecture is a shift from tightly coupled synchronous communication type where request-response communication model is used to loosely coupled asynchronous communication type where point-to-point and publish-subscribe communication model is used.